Hello everyone! In this video, you are gonna learn the easiest way to make viral 2D stick figure animations, like Rico animations. But first, go to their channel, take a screenshot. Then open Blender, 2D animation. Go to Add, Image, then Reference. Select the image reference from your folders, then Add. Check opacity, then reduce. Select the stroke object, then delete layers. Click the plus icon to add new layer for the head. Switch to draw mode, then hold left mouse button to select the curve tool. Click to draw, then press E to extrude the line. Select the circle for the eyes, then press Shift D to duplicate, press G to grab, duplicate the eyebrows, then press S, X-1 to flip on the X-axis. Create another layer for the body, then draw. This is not compulsory, however, we do this to stay organized. Move the legs to their own layer by pressing M. Also, put the mouth in its own layer since we are going to apply a modifier to it later. Then, go to the mouth layer. In order to create the mouth animations, move to the second keyframe, then add an image reference. Press S to scale. Reduce opacity, then draw. Then do the same. results. In Edit mode, go to Stroke, then select Set Uniform Thickness. Click on the arrows to set the thickness. Go to Stroke Depth, then set to 3D Location. This allows you to move the character in 3D space. In order to add color, click and drag on the left corner, then set Editor to Image Editor. Then select the image reference. Go to the Materials tab, then delete some of the default materials. Go to Fill, then use the color picker to pick the color from the reference. Set Stroke to black. To apply the color, select the stroke in Edit mode, then right-click, then select Stroke Type to both. This makes the stroke to have both the outline and color as one stroke. If you switch to Draw mode, you can also use the Paint bucket Click the X-axis so that when you apply changes to one side, it automatically applies to the opposite side, which saves you a lot of time. Press X to delete the shoulder, breast, and the hip bones, since we do not need them for the stick figure. Move the joints to place them on their correct positions. Press R, Z90 to rotate the leg on the Z-axis 90 degrees. Press X to delete the head bones, since we only need one head bone. Also, press X, then Dissolve to delete the spine bone, since we only need 3 bones for the body of this character. Press Shift-D to duplicate the head bone. Then, press F2 to name the bones. These are going to be the brow, pupils, and the mouth control bones. Go to Bone Property tab. Now select all the 3 bones, then go to Rigify type, then, while holding Alt, select Basic Super Copy. For the mouth, on the Widget section, I chose Gear Shape instead of Circle. Now, go to the Data tab, then click Generate Rig. If your rig has been generated but is not in the correct position, select the meta rig, then click Ctrl A, then apply all transforms. Then click Regenerate Rig. Now the rig appears in the right position. For the rig to control the character, we have to attach it to the character. To do this, select the character, then Shift-select the rig, then press Ctrl P. Select Armature Deform with empty groups. Now, if you select the character, you will see the names of the bones have appeared in the Vertex Group section. Now select the strokes, then click Assign to assign to the corresponding bone names. In order to assign to the mouth, since the mouth layer has multiple frames, click on Multi-Frame. Then select all the keyframes, then select the mouth. This allows you to assign weights to multiple keyframes at the same time. For the arm, make sure at least one point is aligned with the center of the elbow joint. In order to avoid selecting points from other layers, go to Layers drop-down menu. Then check Auto Lock Inactive Layers. Now assign the points to their respective bones. For the body, switch to Weight Paint mode. You will see the names of the bones up here. Select the bone, then left-click on the body to apply weights. The red color shows the part that will be affected by the bone. Do the same for the rest of the body. You can click the negative icon to remove weights or hold Ctrl key. Also, make sure at least one point is aligned to the center of the knee bone. You can apply the weights. Now select the bones, then switch to pose mode to test the rig. You can hide the bone widgets by going to Item, then click on the rig layers to hide. Now, as you can see, the arm is not deforming properly. To solve this, turn on Meta Rig. Then, in Edit mode, select the arm. Then press S, Y, O to scale 0 degrees on the Y-axis. This straightens the arms. Align the arm bone with the arm. Now test the rig in pose mode. Everything is okay. However, when we rotate the chest bone, the arm bones are lagging behind. This is because we deleted one of the spine bones earlier. To solve this, turn on the MCH bone collections. Then select the MCH chest bone, then delete Copy, Transform, Constraint. Now it works perfectly. In order to rig the mouth, select the character, then add modifier, go to Edit, Time Offset. Set mode to fixed frame. Then info and select the mouth layer. Right-click on frame, then add modifier. Multiply var by 10. Set object to rig. Then select mouth bone. Set space to local space. Now, if you grab the mouth control on the x-axis, it changes the mouth shapes. Now you can animate your character.